So the question that we are having right now is this 583, in which we have to count the number of operations we have to make the two strings equal, and in one operation we can remove exactly one character in either of the string. For example, if we see the word 1 is C and the word 2 is eat, and in the one step you make C to EA, that is you remove S from this, and in another step you make EAT to EA, that is you remove the T. And now after both of the steps, S1, word 1 and word 2 are equal. So that is our aim. So let us understand this by taking an example. For example, like what we have to do is, for example, we have the lead code and another is ETCO. Now if we find the length of the maximum length of the common substring of both, like if we find the maximum length of the common substring of both, that is in the lead code we and the ETCO, we have ETCO in lead code. So the result will be the final length of the word lead code, that is 8, minus length of the maximum common substring of both, that is ETCO, that is 4, plus length of the word 2, that is 4, minus length of the maximum, that is 4, and it will be equal to 4. That is our answer. So what we have to find, we have to find the maximum length of the common substring between both, and that we can easily do via our method of DP. So let us do this. We will take n1 as word 1 dot size, and we will take n2 as word 2 dot size. Okay, now we will declare our DP array vector of in DP of size n1 plus 1, because we will take it by one indexed, and vector of int of n2 plus 1 comma 0. Like if we have one DP of 1 comma 1, that means we are taking word of one length. Okay, now we will do the loop. I is equal to 1 2, I is equal to word of length, I is word of length 1 is equal to word of length n1 I plus plus, for int j is equal to 1, j less than equal to n2 j plus plus. Like if word 1 of I minus 1 is equal to word 2 of j minus 1, we will say dp of I comma j is equal to 1 plus dp of I minus 1 and j minus 1, and else we will say dp of I comma j is equal to maximum of dp of I minus 1 and j comma dp of I and j minus 1. And finally what we will be return n1 minus dp of n1 n2 plus n2 minus dp of n1 n2. Let us see if this is going to work or not. Yes, it is working exactly fine, and this is the basic method of finding the common subsequence. This is basic method of finding the maximum common substring length between two strings, and you have seen this in many problems, I guess. So this is all.